I lost the I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need no trick, gold eyes don't change.
Faith about to do my hair.
Yes, ma'am. Let's get it going.
I told her I'm kind of tender-headed.
You'll be fine. I was doing her. I'm tender.
Oh gosh.
You're gonna be ready.
I can't wait to get my hair cut. I was waiting to get my hair cut into a bob, my natural hair.
Got me out, you choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside, I keep it quiet. Even though I low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. Even though I low ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows, thinking I'm a robot. Time so strange that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I can board. Fucking, we ain't making love no more. He talk that talk, but he don't match up with. So strong with every whatever you need. Don't call me.
Hey y'all, so I'm back at home from getting my hair done. My girl left me out a lot of edges, and I'm not really used to having this much edges out. So now that I got the hair did, we about to do the eyebrows. I'm about to see if I can do my eyebrows or if I'm gonna let them grow back out, because I feel like I messed them up a little bit. So I think I'm gonna let them grow back out actually. Now that the hair part is done, we about to get started on doing my lash clusters. So today we're going to be using the Lash cluster brand Ocean Pearl from Amazon. So if y'all want to see me put the lashes on, stay tuned, don't go nowhere, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. Oh, I didn't show y'all the hair in its entirety, so let me show y'all. But yeah, let's get started on these lashes. Okay y'all, so we have the first eye done. I really don't like how these lashes are super curly. I don't like the super definite C curl. I wish I would have got the same lash clusters that I got last time, but trying to try something new, I got these. And I just, they super curly. Like, I want my lashes to look like natural and just flowy and wispy, but these are like super C curl. But I'm gonna try to fix them. They still look cute though, so cute. So we about to do the other eye. Comment down below, let me know if y'all like how the lashes look. How is the maintenance vlog going for y'all? This is probably gonna be a short vlog because I forgot to show y'all my nail appointment when I went to get my Valentine's Day nails. So it's not really much for me to show y'all with the nail appointment. But do y'all like my nails? Comment down below because they're so cute. Now let's finish the other eye. Hey y'all, so this is the end result of the lash clusters. Comment down below, let me know if y'all like them. I really don't like them because I don't like how super curly they are. But they'll do for now until I get some more. I'm definitely going to get the lashes I had before because I'm not really feeling these super C-curl lashes. But like I said, they're going to have to do for now. I don't know what I did to the settings on my camera, but it looks really good in this setting. So I'm gonna leave it here, okay? I don't have nothing else to show y'all. I did my waxes the other day. I waxed my underarm. Actually, I'm tripping. I only wax my underarms myself. I do it at home. And then down there, I use Nair. And I already did that on, today is Wednesday. I already did that on Monday. So definitely can't show y'all that. I could have showed y'all wax my underarms, but I didn't. So I don't have nothing else to show y'all in the maintenance vlog. Like, so this is just me getting my hair done. I don't even know if I'll make this a full vlog anymore because it's gonna be so short, because I really ain't doing much. All I did was get my hair done and do my lash clusters. So, and of course, y'all saw my nails. So cute to look at the little hearts. Ah, so cute, so girly, so cute. I enjoyed my Valentine's Day. I spent it by myself and it was just the best. It was just the best. I went to Bath and Body Works. I bought me some cute flowers. I bought my grandma something. I brought my mother something. And yeah, I just spent the day with myself and I spent the money on myself. Like, why wait for somebody else to do something for you when you could do it yourself? And then I gotta jump through hoops just for you to do something for me. I know me, I'm gonna do for me because I want to do for me. I don't have to wait on myself to figure out if I'm gonna do for me. I'm gonna always do for me. So it was great. This is my first Valentine's Day, like, not feeling like, oh my gosh, I don't have a dude, I don't have a boyfriend, I don't have anything. Like, I didn't feel like that. I was just so happy to just enjoy the day, like, and just look cute. Like, the nails, I was so happy to get these Valentine's Day nails. The flowers I got was just so freaking gorgeous. They're just so, they sitting right there. Day is dying, y'all. It's not letting me zoom in. Stupid. You stupid. You remedial. But anyways, they sitting back there halfway dying, so. But they was very cute. I posted them on my YouTube. I posted it somewhere on my, what is it called? On my community tab. So y'all can go there and see that. Yeah. This is basically like my maintenance vlog for February, but it really was like for Valentine's Day, but not really Valentine's Day, but it was for Valentine's Day. I needed my hair done overall, period. Y'all seen how my hair been. I ain't had braids in so long. All 2024, I've really been wearing prontos, which is quick weave hairstyles. That freaking broke my hair out. Keep flat on it, broke my hair out. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it again. I will do some prontos this year, and I'm going to do it myself. I'm not paying nobody else to do it. And then for the rest of the year, I'm going to really wear braids. Like, I'm going to wear braids through the whole year. One year, I had just wore braids all year and did probably like two prontos out the year. And my hair grew so much. So I'm doing that again this year. Like I told y'all in my life update vision board video, this year is about health and consistency. I'm still trying to lose weight. I'm still on that path. I was 198. I'm down to 194. That's only 4 pounds, but I'm so happy about that. I cannot wait to get from the 90s down to like 180. I'm really going to be happy. Definitely, I'm still on my meal plan. I'm about to go make my food now. This week for meal plans, I'm doing shrimp, rice, and broccoli. Last week, I did steak bites, mash, and broccoli. So we about to keep that going, and I'm going back to the gym this week. Today is finally a day that I feel fully free of being sick, because I was just sick for a full 7 days. I don't know what it was. I didn't have COVID, didn't have the flu, but I felt like I had COVID, but they told me I didn't when I went to the emergency. And my mom had COVID, but she was in the hospital for the majority of her time when she had COVID. So, and my COVID test came back negative. So I did not have none of that. Let them tell it at the emergency. I couldn't taste nothing, couldn't smell anything, coughing bad, sneezing, throat hurting real bad. I thought I had strep throat, honestly. But today is the day that I do not feel sick anymore. And I've been feeling sick since last Monday and this Wednesday. So it's been a week and 1 day that I was sick. And I thank God I don't feel sick anymore. I am so thankful to God, to God, to God. I don't feel that way anymore. It literally feel like I was going to die. My whole body was hurting. It was always aching. I felt nauseous, sick, sleepy, dizzy, everything all above. This was like not an ordinary cold that I would normally get. I don't know what this was. But I pray to God I never get it again. Nobody I know. I hope nobody I know ever get what I had. Because it was not an ordinary cold. Nobody cannot tell me that it was. So since I'm feeling better, I took this opportunity to take my comforter and my sheets and everything off my bed and wash everything. Because when I tell you I was sick, I was sick. I was sneezing all over my bed, all on my covers, coughing. So of course I'm about to sanitize my room down, wash the stuff, and we about to start over brand new. I know I did not come here to hear about me talk about me being sick or whatever, but I don't have nothing else to insert in this video for y'all for the maintenance vlog. I really don't know if I'm gonna make this a full vlog because it's gonna be so short. But I might insert these clips in another video. I really don't know. But I'm going to see y'all in the next video because I'm about to start another one. Don't forget to stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. Follow me on Instagram at allaboutlu. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.
I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. I swear I'm getting it back with you, girl. Keep on talking.